activities, some math fluency, and some sight word activities. Please enjoy our video.
Okay, in your go bag, you are going to find some digit cards. You may have to cut yours out, but these would be the digit cards. You're going to make either 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers, and then you're going to practice expressing those numbers in the different ways we've been talking about in class. So my number is 213, and so I want to express that in standard form, and we know that standard form is just the number, so I would write 213. To express it in word form, you would just write it out, 213. Okay, we've been working on expanded form. So for expanded form, it's just breaking it into place value. So 200 plus 10 plus 3 equals 213. And then our last form that we've been working on is base 10, and you would just draw that. 200, 110, and 3 ones.
Some other home activities you can use for math is practicing math fluency. One great way is to create flashcards on an index card. Here is an example of how to make a flashcard. You will write the addition column on the front. You will flip over the index card and write the sum or the answer on the back. When you have several cards, you will just show your students the 4 plus 5, and then they will have to tell you what the answer is. Another way you can practice fluency is playing with a deck of playing cards. So a game war. You will divide the cards in half. Then each player will flip over one card. And the first player to say the answer,
17,
gets the card. Continue to go back and forth
13.
until the game is over and whoever has the most cards is the winner.
All right, also at home, we would like for students to be studying their 5 sight word list. You should know exactly where your child is on the list. They start at number 1. Once number 1 is mastered, we move to number 2, 3, 4, and 5. To practice your sight words at home, you can create some flashcards again, like so. You just write the word on a card, and the student can flip through the cards. Students should be able to read and spell each word on the list. Once you make the flashcards, you could actually use them in a memory or concentration game and lay them out and see if you can find them, flip them over, and then see if you can find a match. Okay. Also, some things you can do, you can have someone call out a word and give your student a quiz. So you would just call out all, and your student would write down all. You could play a game of hangman where they guess the different letters. You could purchase some alphabet pasta from the grocery store, and they could use that, glue the letters, make with the pasta noodles to make the words, and they could also rainbow write. So here's an example of how to rainbow write your words. You just use a different color for each letter. So it's a little bit different way for us to study. Also, there's always that homework bingo due every month. But study those math facts and those sight words.